Hi everyone. Sometimes in the life race we all have, we neglect our health and body, and poor nutrition causes us several signs such as we are tired and have a lack of energy during all day. Slow immune response which helps us fight illness. Easy bruising and slow healing. We are affected by depression and mental health issues. Dental problems like gum diseases. Constipation. The lack of time, covering all our daily tasks, leaving us sometimes without proper nutrition. What helped me the most, it's blending fruits and vegetables with a personal portable blender. It's fast and easy, I can take it with me anywhere and leaves my nutrition well balanced, providing me enough vitamins. I have listed here 5 best portable blenders based on my point of view, and aimed to list them based on important parameters, so I hope it would help in your life race too. More details and information you can find in the description and comment section. Let's start with number 5, we have EC Purchase. USB Rechargeable Blender, charging time is 3 hours when first using and then 1 hour is enough for every charge. Pay attention that this blender cannot work when charging, but we have several options to charge such as computer USB port, car charger, adapter, power bank and more. It's recommended to cut the ingredients into about 1-inch pieces, add some liquid such as milk, water, also adding liquid just half of the bottle capacity. Material in this one is food grade PP amp, ABS bra free, blades material is stainless steel, capacity for all bottle is 400 milliliters, and weight of the bottle is 460 grams. 6 blades in 3D that produces 22,000 revolutions per minute, which does great job at pulverizing fruits and vegetables. Please note that even baby food can be mixed in here, and this blender is great for traveling, camping, fishing and more outdoor activities. In addition, it has 2 colors to choose from, green and pink. People report that this blender is super convenient and a good choice on the go. Continuing with number 4, we have Home Geek. Operation time up is to 60 seconds. FDA approved, BPA free, blades material is stainless steel, capacity for all bottle is 600 milliliters, and power is 300 watt. 4 super sharp blades that produces 21,000 revolutions per minute, which can blend any suitable pieces into smoothie in 10 seconds. Please note, we have safety design that prevents the unit from turning on if cup is not installed properly. We also have one-hand operation without complicated settings. In addition, we get in the package 2 600 milliliters bottles. People report that this blender has big power in mixing ingredients and easy to use. Moving on with number 3, we have Pop Babies. USB Rechargeable Blender. This one can blend even while charging, and charging time is 3 hours up to 5 hours when first using, afterwards between half an hour up to 1 hour every charge. Considered to be one of quiet, less mess, fewer dish, spacing saving blender that is handy, lightweight and portable. FDA approved, BPA free, built-in blade preventing finger injury, versatile for most uses such as smoothies, baby food, juice, protein shaker and more. Blades material is stainless steel, 4 blades, 22,000 revolutions per minute, power is 175 watt. Capacity is 500 milliliters, 3 colors to choose from, black, white and pink. Pay attention to cut ingredients no bigger than 2-inch and add liquid half of the bottle. People report that it's powerful enough to blend ice, frozen fruits, vegetable, nuts in only 20 seconds, and one of the best portable blenders out there. At number 2, we have Kaksu S610. USB Rechargeable Quiet Blender, better to charge 3 to 5 hours when first using, can be charged by laptop, car, power bank and more. This one offers long-lasting battery, a single charge holds up to a week and battery capacity supports 12 to 15 cups. BPA free and FDA approved, blades material is stainless steel, 4 blades, 16,500 revolutions per minute, capacity is 450 milliliters, fresh smoothies in 20 seconds. It's recommended to add ingredients half of the bottle, to add liquid like milk and water, not to use the blender when charging. Fits perfectly in most car cup holders. Cup material is high borosilicate glass, which is one of the durable materials, and perfect for making green fruit smoothie, milkshakes, juices, protein shakers, baby food and more. People report that this blender is good for on the go and compact, high quality. Arriving to number 1, we have Ninja. Known to be leading in blenders, this one has 700 watt powerful engine, comes with two 500 ml cups, 2 sip and seal lids, and 50 recipe cookbook. For free, FDA approved, 4 sharp powerful blades. Blades material is stainless steel, 21,000 revolutions per minute, including company's pulse technology, which simply blends fast and strong drinks. Makes light work of blending fruits and vegetables, which means getting us 100% of valuable nutrition we put in. People report it's an amazing blender, so much powerful and works best in cutting ingredients. Keeping good and balanced nutrition is very important, and luckily today we have options that make our life easier. All of these blenders can be used for gym, office, college, school, outdoor and wherever you choose. Thanks for watching. I tried my best to give you details as much as I could. I hope it was helpful for you. More information you can find down below. Don't forget to drop a like to this video and subscribe my channel to encourage more videos in the future, and you are invited to share your thoughts in the comments section.